Welcome to SaaS Central, the best hub for everything related to software as a service. Complete your most ambitious 3D design projects for a fraction of the cost of other CAD products with SelfCAD. For those wanting to explore their creative side, learning how to use 3D program online for personal preferences is great fun. Designing a product in 3D renders has many benefits. I personally find using software that is intuitive to navigate is key. I recently stumbled upon this 3D program online that manages to be both potent and easy to use. I was astounded at how much power this software puts at the touch of your fingers. A primer might be needed to get the hang of it, but quickly you will be designing high-end 3D renders without taking down the learning curve. Easy to share your designs online and print. This online program for beginners should be the first choice for designing to learn how to draw 3D models. SelfCAD is a 3D modeling software easy to use, perfect for your pocket and browser. Simple enough for beginners but powerful enough for professionals. SelfCAD uses the latest JavaScript technologies. 3D modeling software has drastically improved over the last few years. Now you can use a wide range of tools and create extremely detailed models. SelfCAD tool is one of the most popular 3D modeling software programs in the market. This is a powerful tool with many features and is suitable for both beginners and experienced users. SelfCAD tool allows the user to create both solid and square models using the CAD software. The software provides a variety of features, so the user can create 3D models with a very high level of details, Boolean operations, extrude, bevel, and loft. These features are included in the software, as well as a built-in rendering engine. This enables you to also create extremely high-quality images of your 3D models. The online CAD tool SelfCAD allows you to create complex 3D designs all within your browser. Aside from that, SelfCAD is equipped with an easy-to-use interface and built-in interactive tutorials, making it accessible to anyone within the family, from novices to professional designers. In addition, SelfCAD offers a variety of advanced features available to pro account holders. Why not give SelfCAD a try today?